I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Oh, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Cause it's only you, nobody.
We're gonna try the ATV. Ready? Okay, good. Oh my God, it's cold. We got stuck for a few minutes. Yeah.
Doors open, right?
Yeah, I'm going there now. Bye-bye. That was cool. It's a cool ride though. It's freezing. Not freezing when you drive because there's wind. It is cold for me. And that's our firewoods. They said it's gonna snow this coming Friday and Saturday, hopefully before we get home. And Bebo's fixing everything now. He's gonna store everything on the what do you call those? Carport. Because we're leaving in a few days. Yeah, we don't have a week left anymore, so that's it. And see you guys later. Ciao. And good morning, guys. Time check, it's around 9 p.m. I think already. So I am all dressed up. Look at this one. OOTD check. So today we're going to Colorado Springs because we're gonna pick up the car that we rented. Because Bebo rented a car for so look at that. This is my very first snow. Look at the weather. This is my first snow last night. And it, oh fuck, it is crazy cold right now. So his friends will gonna drive us to Colorado Springs to get the car that Bebo rented. And then we're gonna fly we're gonna go to Denver and fly back to Philippines very, very soon. It's like in a few days. We're gonna go back to Philippines. So that's it. See you later. Dang, it's cold. I'm not gonna wear it. We're gonna sit in the front. Cool.
Yeah, you're gonna cloud the driveway?
And I don't know what the fuck that is. It just started coming out of the vent.
Oops.
No, no. BMW makes studded tires for all their shit.
It was weird getting in this car because my
I like cars. It's getting fucking stupid. They're trying to push the COVID.
Should be ready for you.
You guys have me down for fuel, right?
I'm sleepy. Wow, it's cold. Is it the same?
I don't know.
I'm asking you. Is it the same? Oh, so we got a black car now.
A couple luggage scratches on the back of the truck here.
Yeah, American Express company.
Let's go. Yeah, it looks the same. We're good?
Hey, look, I got paperwork.
Oh yeah, why last time you don't have that?
I don't know. Well, this one doesn't have the center.
Yeah, why it's different? It's kind of different though.
Must be an older model.
Yeah, and it's kind of low. Why is that? Yeah, it looks different. Look, hold on. Oh, but it still have like a 6-seater. I mean, back seat over there. Oh, we're going now.
43,000.
So that means,
New like the other one.
yeah, why it's still open?
Can you put down the door? Looks like somebody threw up.
Yeah, look at that. And it's not leather.
Oh, we had leather?
I think so.
Yeah, I think it was better. Our other.
They got that already. I see here. Got this. But still big. So this is the same car we rented. Kinda the same car we rented last time. We don't need that phone thing, right?
I don't know how to get the radio on. How do you get the radio on?
It's not even relevant to
Free never sounded.
It says
breathe.
$450 cleaning fee for smoking
Could save hundreds.
may apply.
Could be life life-changing life.
So no smoking in the car.
George concert.
Why it's too foggy? Is that a cloud or it's a fog? Cloud? Cheers. So good morning, guys. No, actually afternoon. Today we're going to Colorado Springs. This is our last dinner here. We're going to meet his daughter again, and we're using the car that we rented yesterday until we leave. So this is, I forgot the name. It's a Chevy. Oh no, it's not a Chevy, it's a Chrysler. What car is this? Yeah, it's a Chrysler. So that's it. See you. Look at let's see. Wow, that's a lot of horse in here. So oranges and reddish. Look at that. It's There's a train going to Mexico. Joke lang. That's a different train, Building America. That's a cargo. What's that black thing? Line H. Kazan. No traffic. First time it's packed, the parking lot. Usually this is empty. There's one, there's big one. And then this is Dick's Sporting Good. And hello guys. We are at Macy's. This is Chapel, what? Chapel Hills?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the malls. Chapel Hills Mall over there. And Macy's over here. Why it looks so huge, but it's not really huge. My nails, it's breaking. 40 to 60% off in store and online. Ooh.
I thought it was good.
I'm waiting for you. I'm sorry. I thought you were gonna open it.
You'll be taking care.
Have a good day. That's fun. Oh. Ay, teka, that mosquito. Cute little purse. They don't have the one that I just bought, no. Oh, baby, where's our umbrella? Hey, this is so cool. What is this? Oh, pajamas? Oh, it's small. It's cute. Is there in the car? In the yeah? I know. Oh, baby with the
I don't know what happened. What's that?
yeah.
Nautica.
Glasses?
Oh,
Yeah.
no, it has a,
Oh, it's
probably says Nautica on it.
oh.
Now we don't have umbrellas.
Mm-hmm.
And it's rainy season.
See ya. And we are at ViewHouse. Holy cow. Baby chop chop, look at the snow. It's cold. Oh look, they really have a grass. This is fake grass? Ah, that's cool. Yeah, oh yeah, look, they're wearing hoodies, right? That is why. Look at this cutie. Oh, they're gonna have a party. Yeah. Roof stuff. Ooh. Oh, look at that! It's so cute.
Yeah, I've got y'all down here in a bit.
Down here?
Yeah.
Oh,
You want to go upstairs?
yeah. I like upstairs. There's a view upstairs.
We've got y'all a booth right by the window down here. The booth is good.
Oh, okay.
Well, it's cold outside. We've got the inside.
Are you gonna sit outside? Hey. Oh. We're good here? Okay. This is huge. They got the booze and brews, cocktails, electric chair, view do juice, bloodbath and Beetlejuice, shots, black magic, leprechaun, how you pronounce that? Tears, leprechaun tears, and brews. And ViewHouse. The sun is hitting out. Oh, so yeah, Bebo. Semua. Ciao. It's their menu. This is Beetlejuice with a lollipop and color green. Look at that. Baby, look at the lollipop. Beetlejuice. It says, he said it's gonna melt and it's gonna make it sweet.
Is it going?
Yeah, it's great.
Like I said, you know,
It's recording. I can see it. Okay, game. See, I told you. I'll cut it. I don't want to pause it.
I can see in my nose. Wait, what? Hold it.
Yeah.
Yeah, anytime. I'm sure.
Happy birthday.
Look, good morning, guys. It's so cold. We just wake up like an hour ago, and it snowed again this morning. And this is our last morning here in this house. So we're going back home in the Philippines. Look at that. It's so cool. I see snow. So,
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
whatever.